Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's episode, I will teach you how to perform step-by-step proxy settings in the Clon Anti-Detect browser. This browser is universal and will help with using more than one profile at the same time. With its proxy settings, you can secure your accounts and hide your IP address for safe online use. Let's move on to setting up a proxy in Clon Browser. To begin with, we need to create a new account if you have not already done so and log in. Next, in the left panel, open the Proxy tab and click on New Proxy. To import a proxy list, click Bulk Import Proxy. I'm setting up only one proxy, so I'm clicking just on New Proxy. In the window that opens, you need to select the proxy protocol. In my case, it's SOX5. You can also set a proxy comment in the Remark column. Fill in the IP address of the proxy in the following fields, as well as the port that corresponds to the proxy protocol. As I selected SOX protocol, then I will use the 50101 port. If you have a free proxy, then a username and password are not required. But if you have a private proxy, then you need to fill in these two columns. After completing the proxy configuration, we check the performance by clicking on the Connect Test button. After a successful check result, click on Save. Next, we need to bind the proxy to the profile. Select PF on the left side of the interface and click on Create Profile, and go to the Proxy section. Here, you can add a new proxy or bind an existing one. As in our case, we click Agent List, after which we select a pre-configured proxy by clicking on Use. Then we return back to the Overview section and scroll to the Fingerprint Settings item and click Get New Fingerprints. Pay attention to the rest of the section's settings. They can also be edited to suit your needs. Click on Create Profile, and the proxy setup is complete. The proxy is ready to work with the configured profile. I also want to remind you that working with free proxies is not safe, does not guarantee anonymity, and will lead to blocking. To remain anonymous on the network and be sure of your security, it is recommended to purchase a private proxy. And there is an advanced proxy provider, Proxy-Seller.com. You get 100% anonymity on the network and security, a performance guarantee for the chosen purpose, and 24/7 customer support service. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.